My name is Adam Glover. I'm a Senior Solution Architect within Esri Ireland's Professional Services team. I've worked with Esri Ireland for 11 years. I think I joined Esri Ireland because I was a fan of the ArcGIS technology. Why have I stayed? I'm inspired by the people I work with and the work that our customers do. Esri's values, they align very closely with my own. I feel like I belong. I love working with the professional services team. The challenges that our customers were addressing are some of the largest that face the island of Ireland today. The customer is the expert. They own the mission. They fully understand the challenges that they face. And what we in Esri Ireland Professional Services do is play a supporting role to empower them to fully leverage location. I think Esri Ireland promote a growth mindset. I think I have developed because I've encountered problems and been supported to overcome them rather than in spite of not encountering problems. Setbacks and failures aren't things to be afraid of or to avoid. They're things to learn from and then use to take the next step to where you want to go. When I'm in work, I feel authentic. There's also a real unashamed love of geography, of the technologies that we use. Customers can ask open questions, they can be curious, they can explore the technology as well, and often solutions that you come up designing together are so much better.